Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome slow downloading issue on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you need to do is just go to your search button. In here, type View Network Options, and you'll find this View Network Connection option. Just open this. After that, if you're using Wi-Fi, you'll have your Wi-Fi here, and I'm currently using Ethernet, so I have Ethernet here. If you're using Wi-Fi, do the same thing to your Wi-Fi. I'm using Ethernet, so I'm just gonna right click on Ethernet, then just click on Properties. Then from here, I'm just gonna select Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4, then click on Properties again. Then from here, under here, I'm gonna select use the following DNS server. In here, I'm gonna put one of my favorite DNSs, which is from Cloudflare DNS. You can use the Google one as well. The Cloudflare one is 1.1.1.1. and for the alternate DNS server, it is 1.0.0.0. Now you can search this up on the internet and put it. There's Google, there's Cloudflare, and there's many more. You can also use the Google one as well. I'm personally using the Cloudflare one. Then just click on OK, click on OK again. Then just close this. After that, what you need to do is just open up your Chrome browser. Then just go to Settings. Then from Settings, you want to go to System. Inside System, you want to make sure your Continue Running Background app when Chrome is closed is turned off. And you want to make sure your Use Graphics Acceleration when available is turned on. After that, what you want to do is here inside the URL bar, type Chrome clones / and then type flags. After that, you'll find this page. Inside the search bar, search for download. And then you'll find parallel downloading, which basically means that it will basically accelerate your download speed. And if it's set to default, just set it to enabled. And then just relaunch Chrome. And after Chrome opens up, there's one more thing that you need to do. Just click on the three-dot icon again. From here, you can find extensions. Just click on Manage Extensions. Then you'll find a list of extensions. From here, you can install the ones you don't need. As you can see, I don't have much extension. But if you have some extensions that you don't need and are totally unnecessary, just uninstall them. This will make your browser light and easy to run. Then just close all this and go ahead and restart your computer. And basically that is how to fix slow downloading issue on Google Chrome on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.